This is Danwei from Athabasca University, and I will show you some demos on question answering, the application of natural language processing. It looks pretty like Google, but it's done by ourselves based on information retrieval. For example, if we can ask a question from students like, tell me about Unix systems, the system can search from the background learning resources. Now we do have a small corpus about computing Windows, so they can get the result. But this is what information retrieval do. We can do better. For example, we can understand the questions better, so we can focus on what the students really want to know. For example, here, tell me about Unix systems. They also search some results about tell me something like that. So now let's start a server. The server is done by our group, so the server can help us to filter some of the words we don't need. Now let's start the server first. This server is mainly work on natural language processing, so they realize some functions. Now it started listening. Let's back to the interface. So if we search it again, so we can only get one answer that's more focused on the results the student need. Is about the Unix systems. This is actually only a simple demo to demonstrate that we can do more analyze on the questions and also the results which is retrieved from the background. What the background the program is really doing is do some syntactic parsing and semantic parsing of all these sentences. We do this by by the help of some tools. So one tool we're using is currently is Minipar. This system is done by Professor Ling from Google. For example, if we have two sentences in the text file, we can parse it. So this is the result after the parsing. We can see they provide lots of information about both the structure and the relationship between all these words. Those structure and relationship can be used to understand the questions, so it can help us to figure out what is really asked by the user. We also plan to use Xerox's parser. Which one? This is pretty interesting. I can show it here for the same questions. Yeah, this is running results by the parser of from Xerox XIP, and we can see the structure of the parsing results. All this structure is over here, and there are also some pretty much information to show these relationships between all these words. And those information can be certainly used by our system, and also by, for example, semantic role labeling or semantic parsing later, or I'm going to show this. So if we want to know more about the step-by-step how a question is analyzed and how the result is retrieved, we can go to another demo.